You don't have to be a genius to code. Anyone can learn. Coding is a skill that is accessible to everyone, regardless of age, background, or experience. It's a universal language that can be picked up by anyone willing to put in the time and effort. It's like learning a new language. Just as you would learn to speak Spanish or French, you can learn to speak Python, JavaScript, or any other programming language. The principles are the same. Start with the basics, practice regularly, and gradually build your proficiency. It takes practice and patience. Just like mastering a musical instrument or becoming fluent in a new language, coding requires dedication and persistence. You'll encounter challenges and make mistakes, but each error is an opportunity to learn and improve. You start with the basics. Begin with simple exercises and gradually move on to more complex projects. Understanding fundamental concepts like variables, loops, and functions is crucial. These building blocks will form the foundation of your coding knowledge. Then you build from there. As you become more comfortable with the basics, you can start tackling more advanced topics and projects. This could include creating your own websites, developing apps, or even working on data analysis. Many resources are available to help. From online tutorials and coding boot camps to books and community forums, there's a wealth of information at your fingertips. These resources can guide you through your learning journey and provide support when you need it. There are online courses and books. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer courses for all levels, from beginner to advanced. Books by experienced programmers can also provide valuable insights and tips. You can find a coding club or mentor. Joining a coding club or finding a mentor can provide you with additional support and motivation. These communities can offer guidance, answer your questions, and help you stay on track. The key is to start. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect course. Start coding today, even if it's just a few lines of code. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll start seeing progress. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Each error you encounter is a stepping stone towards becoming a better programmer. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward.
Learning to program opens up a world of possibilities. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, or game development, coding skills can unlock countless opportunities. You can create websites and apps. Imagine building your own website from scratch or developing an app that solves a problem or entertains users. The possibilities are endless and only limited by your creativity. You can even work with robots. Robotics is an exciting field where coding plays a crucial role. By learning to program, you can create and control robots, making them perform tasks and solve problems. It's a skill that is in high demand. In today's digital age, programming skills are highly sought after by employers across various industries. Whether you're looking to start a new career or advance in your current one, coding can open doors to numerous job opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Start your programming journey today. The world of coding is vast and full of potential. Take the first step and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Happy coding.
Programming is more than just writing code. It's about solving problems. When you sit down to write a program, you're not just typing out lines of code. You're engaging in a process of critical thinking and problem solving that requires a deep understanding of the issue at hand. You need to think logically. This means approaching each problem with a clear and structured mindset. Logical thinking helps you to break down complex issues into manageable parts, making it easier to find solutions. You need to break down a problem into smaller steps. By dissecting a large problem into smaller, more manageable tasks, you can tackle each part individually, ensuring that you don't get overwhelmed by the complexity of the whole. Think of it like building a Lego set. Each piece has its place, and when you follow the instructions, you can create something amazing. But just like with Legos, sometimes you need to improvise and find new ways to fit the pieces together. You have a set of instructions. These instructions guide you through the process, but they are not always perfect. Sometimes you need to adapt and modify them to fit the specific needs of your project. You have to follow them carefully. Attention to detail is crucial in programming. A small mistake can lead to big problems, so it's important to be meticulous and thorough in your work. But you also have to be creative. Creativity in programming means finding innovative solutions to problems and thinking outside the box. It's about using your imagination to come up with new and better ways to do things. Sometimes you need to find new ways to put the pieces together. Just like solving a puzzle, programming often requires you to think creatively and experiment with different approaches until you find the one that works best.
That's what programming is all about. It's a blend of logic, creativity, and problem solving. It's about taking a complex issue and breaking it down into smaller, more manageable parts, then finding the best way to solve each part. It's about finding creative solutions to problems. Whether you're developing a new application or fixing a bug in an existing one, the goal is always to find the most effective and efficient solution. It's about using your skills to make something new. Programming gives you the tools to create, innovate, and bring your ideas to life. It's a powerful way to turn your vision into reality. So don't just focus on the code. While writing code is an essential part of programming, it's not the only part. You need to understand the problem you're trying to solve and think about the best way to approach it. Focus on the problem you're trying to solve. By keeping your attention on the end goal, you can ensure that your code is not just functional, but also effective and efficient. Remember, programming is about solving problems, and the best solutions come from a combination of logic, creativity, and careful planning.
The world of technology is always changing. New programming languages and tools are created all the time. What's popular today might be outdated tomorrow. It's important to be a lifelong learner. You need to be willing to adapt to new technologies. You need to keep your skills sharp.
One way to stay up to date is to follow industry blogs and websites. You can also attend conferences and workshops. The key is to never stop learning. Embrace the challenge of continuous learning. It will make you a better programmer.
Programming is often a team effort. You'll work with other programmers to build large projects. You need to be able to communicate effectively. Tools like GitHub help with collaboration. GitHub allows you to share your code with others. It also tracks changes made to the code.
This makes it easy for teams to work together on projects. Everyone can see what everyone else is working on. Good communication and collaboration are essential for successful programming projects. Section 5, write clean code.
Writing clean and clear code is crucial. Your code should be easy to read and understand. This makes it easier for others to work with your code.
Use meaningful variable and function names. This makes your code more self-documenting.
Indentation and spacing are also important. They make your code easier to scan.
Writing clean code is a good habit to develop early on. It will pay off in the long run. Section 6, comments are your friends.
Comments are lines of text in your code that are ignored by the computer. They are for humans to read. Comments explain what your code is doing.
And they are helpful for others who need to understand your code. They can also remind you of what you were thinking when you wrote the code.
However, don't over-comment your code. Your code should be as self-documenting as possible. Use comments wisely to clarify complex logic or provide context.
Section 7, cool programming tricks. In this section, we'll explore some of the coolest and most efficient programming tricks that can help you become a better coder. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these tips and techniques can save you time and effort. Each programming language has its own set of tricks and shortcuts. These can range from simple syntax shortcuts to more complex algorithms and data structures. Understanding and utilizing these tricks can significantly improve your coding efficiency and performance. These tricks can save you time and make your code more efficient. For instance, knowing how to write optimized code can reduce the execution time of your programs and make them more responsive. Efficient coding practices also help in maintaining and scaling your projects.
For example, in JavaScript, you can use the array method to iterate over an array. This is often faster than using a traditional loop. Methods like, and not only make your code cleaner, but also more readable and maintainable. Using these methods can help you avoid common pitfalls associated with traditional loops, such as off-by-one errors and unnecessary complexity. They also allow you to leverage JavaScript's functional programming capabilities, making your code more modular and reusable. Another useful trick in JavaScript is the use of arrow functions. Arrow functions provide a concise syntax for writing function expressions, and can help you avoid issues with the keyword in traditional functions.
In Python, you can use list comprehensions to create new lists in a concise way. List comprehensions are not only more readable but also more efficient than traditional for loops. They allow you to create lists in a single line of code, making your programs shorter and easier to understand. Additionally, Python offers a variety of built-in functions and libraries that can simplify complex tasks. For example, the library provides tools for creating iterators for efficient looping, and the module offers specialized data structures like, and in C++, you can use pointers to directly access memory locations. This can be particularly useful for optimizing performance in resource-intensive applications. Pointers allow you to manipulate memory directly, giving you greater control over how your programs use system resources. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Using pointers requires a deep understanding of memory management to avoid issues like memory leaks and segmentation faults. Properly managing memory can lead to significant performance improvements in your C++ applications. Learning these tricks takes time and practice, but they can make you a more efficient and effective programmer. By incorporating these techniques into your daily coding routine, you can write cleaner, faster, and more reliable code. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and happy coding. Section 8. Know your tools. As a programmer, you'll use a variety of tools. These tools include text editors, debuggers, and version control systems.
It's important to have a deep understanding of how these tools work. This will allow you to use them more effectively.
Don't be afraid to explore the settings and options of your tools. You might discover hidden features that can make your life easier. The better you know your tools, the more productive you'll be. Section 9. Programming in everyday life. Programming is no longer limited to software development. It's becoming increasingly relevant in our everyday lives.
For example, you can use programming to automate tasks in your home. You can write scripts to control your lights, thermostat, and other appliances.
You can even use programming to analyze your personal data. This can help you track your fitness goals, sleep patterns, and more. Programming is a powerful tool that can be used to improve many aspects of our lives. Section 10. Learning from mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning to program. It's part of the process. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes.
When you encounter an error, don't just give up. Try to understand why the error occurred.
Use online resources and communities to find solutions. You can also ask for help from more experienced programmers. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow as a programmer.